Kurumjari, Times of Manipur na sandokchari ba Coffee with Tom miyeng tabiru sin buhan mumukta taram na okchari. Mamangda tungan ba guest kaya tungan ba personality kaya ako'y na pudo na lakcharo matungda miyam da kudol tamjakre ngasi shodumak ako'y na yam na special oy ba guest amakak ako'y na pudo na lakchari miyam gi damakta ngasi gi lengbiragli ba ako'y gi guest ase hadakta Delhi da pangthok kiba Mrs.Quatar International da Mrs.Quatar International gi title obi rakraba adga mamangda su Mrs. India Earth Runners up amadi Mrs. Beautiful Hair gi adugumlaba subtitle lobi rakrabi Monorama Yumnam Monorama wahan bamuktada Times of Manipur studio taram nokchari
TOMTV bu Monorama Yumnam mayambo karumjai
ahan bada koi Monorama da lakchani si Monorama na matam sang na koi modeling line sida pageantry mayam ama yaubi de adu masida yaubi rakpa matam sida masida gi mamang da kitang chakhat charo matung da haitare Monorama se karamba imungda karamba mafam dagi hobi rakpano aduga karamba schools college da tambirei kari subject tambirei haipta matiam ta thambi
aigi ming Yumnam Monorama kodong pokpi mamang lekai degi aigi bu popa babana Yumnam Tombesna Devi Tombesna Singh hosing uripok cherap kota thabak tawzari aduga mamana Yumnam Romita Devi Central Post Office ke staff ama oizari aduga aina aigi inaupa ani aigi makhada aigi inaupa hek mathangna ma hosik LLB tawri aduga inaupa atombana hosik Trivandrum College ta PhD tawzari hosik
yam nungaise aduga ahamba ko introduction je pibikro matung da hajab tar mayam na khwai dagi hena khangning amdoi si Monorama si modeling gi line si da karmai changa khibano adu angang oiring ngai dagi hona masi da changge ha basi khadlaga lakpi gi brai basi ne adu masi karmai thambining
modeling se thoina modeling gi line da di ai changba leja ki de du bu atopa agency me yamna photoshoot tau se hai bigi maina photoshoot ki maina participate tau zagi di auzagi aduga pageant ki oina su asina ahan bane handaki pageant sina ahan bane
sina ahan bane ba hai basida ikoi gi pageant si yaw na bo hona ba matam da ikoi modeling tau yawrok traga su modeling tawrok traga su hai tar grooming tau ba aduga model am oina thokpa ya na bai da makta ready tau basidi yam important oina khanje hai basi tau no hona ba da karai da karam mong da tau bi
it's really surprising for me kaino modeling ama na traga pageant ama prepare tau ge haidi you need to look great you have to have a perfect body and plus get walked over their party then you need to have a mental preparation as well as aina pageant say yaurage haina decide tawrba matungda adagi di registration tawre adi finalize hoin tawre haiba matungda I say hill se to get walk chat pa hore chatli se chumbra khotbra haina adagi di hakchangi health care lobo khaga hozare asi charaga ingonda kari phagani degi skin care mai phagani adagi atopa pageantry mayam ama like the YouTube tagi se yengaga question answer gumba de how I need to prepare for myself for this pageant I bagumba say any YouTube kumbada search tawzare adukanda mayam so hena khangbi ba madam Konika Dr. Konika Khuraiza mongonda su advice khara lauraga asamaina prepare tawzarakhe
aduga sigumba modeling grooming si tawro matungda akogi hairiba akogi contest da hambane na su takpiri hamba contest yawnabagi akogi sigi pau se kamaina phangbire aduga kamaina yawge na khanbigi
Pau say the same have the sigumagi pageant say since I was child I was really interested but I never got an opportunity to take part kagino haida idol I'm already working adu thabak to tawrabani na sigumada line da muk junction ba say like it's a two-way so I need to focus on one thing as my ogibani na anga oringai da yawzaba phangzage drive hoziki train sida karambana pageant say kari to I karai da to I madagi pageant sigi mission say kari no kholi no haina ina sum check Google gumbada Facebook bunda haziki media ge myam se check tawza kan sida haziki Mrs. India Earth hariba se asina phangba yengba kan sida moigi mission siga aina pamsabadu ga yam thokiba ada aina phazan hange moi sai kamaina organize sobano adai karai da singa da bano ad mayam se detail hangzare dukanda asmaina aina register tawza khibani
hariba khoigi contest sida hajab tare contestant kaya mukna di saruk yage duga maru oina hairiba contest da tawriba akogi basis haiba tare khanna nabagi basis se tawriba competition se kari basis da khan gibno
asigi pageant se punna akhoi contestant 30 oizai adubu mi ani contestant ani show up toroktabagi all together we are 28 azu 28 contestants se UK dagi yawba yawre Dubai dagi yawba yawre ai sama Qatar dagi then Canada dagi asmai toraga then all over the part of India asmai toraga punna contestant 28 maina oi ihan habada contestant se kamaina contest gi kamai to gai ganda mai se form san fill tawre then plus adugi mathakta hana moi hana audition ama laure audition segi matungda amu id like India makta laitrabani na audition do lakpa yadravina face to face haibe interview ama tawre dei telephonic ama tawre ade introductory video ama tawro haina ama kongsup tawre aduga sigi aina yam pamsaki ba haibe tare sigi pageant sigi mission se women empowerment aduga handicap children the base tawba plus at the same time it's also focused on mother earth asmaina mogi main mission se smile like give the I know oh this is me I really need to participate hairaga smile participate tawgiban
ngasai mamang da panbi gi da thabak tawi India da leiti haiba ma wari sana ba marta yaw khibdo masi hangodraga de khoi audience sing sina kai no haiba chamam na bam leini masin tanga haibi
I say India da like taba khara khuire almost 10 years aduga I Qatar da lazari and I'm flying as an international cabin crew I'm flying as a senior manager adumaina lay aduga in India manung da like taba so mayam khara khuire haba tare almost it's more than 15 years I haven't stayed in home I do 12 plus lora ganda Guwahati the training to zare Guwahati degi I started working in Shangri-La Hotel it's a 5-star property then I do jet spice jet ta batam khara puzara me then adagi I do international da ontaraga smaina to zare
yam nungai je aduga makha tab da khoin lakchani si khoi thabak tawi ne su tak piri yam job pham ma da khoi gi passenger myam gi take care to gi hai tare ko adu yam job role am su lai biri at the same time sigi pageantry gi contest myam gi prepare to gi yam chawba adugumba kaino hai tare headache am su lai ribni masi ani sim kai gumba kan da matam class to nar so ina yorong gane hai ba matam si da kamaina manage to gi ha du matem na tham
man amagi akhoi gi roster haibe tare ko roster thokpa kan sida I say isana khangeba sig man sigi how many days I'm going to have in Doha or have how many days I do isagi oina leizai haiba flying time to flight to khraganda adu asi leiba off leiba numisida I do kharanga na tum hogalaga I preparation say I tum hogalani adagi I need to take care of my body so tor gym da chalurga na traga yoga tawraga then halakanda question answer gumba yengani dagi hills to walk torani then I need to prepare for my dress also kay gino have the idol India Doha dagi land tawraba matungda matam su like taba dagi I need to take care of my flight as well because it's also a responsibility and as a senior manager I need to take care of my passions my passengers then my crew then after that flight the kari thoki haibagi reports amuk submit tawgadaba asa samai tawgasida khatang di tight oirege schedule say adoi tarasu I need to do it I have to do it haibe agi mindset say asi lagi banina I do adum prepared up I sana tawzare hai ta
matam manage so wasina kitang awaba mu oiraga su on the positive side haija batare isana tawbiri ba thabak sina ngasai gi pageantry sida karai phaw muting pange na dikhan bi
asi it's totally depend on your mindset haidi matam laite haina phamduna laithok taradi it cannot work matam laitrasu since I need to do it I have to work hard asigi kai hai tar passionate say asi laibasi dai je sidaina sibau pung ama ani sina like morning 7 to 8 sina si torani 9 to 8 9 to 10 sina samai torani adigi ai schedule sem do eba ai off labor kan sida monthly se fazana routine se sem dok chare bai isai thanda adukanda like sigi routine se I need to stick to this otherwise I won't have time haibagi mental focus sai se smai tor kanda prepare to say
beautiful hair have a subtitle amakak lobi reise masi beautiful hair subtitle lorba mi amada how do you take care of your hair as a soidra maki me amna khangni amgani ba masi matang da kitang hambi
I think we as belongs from Northeast I am so blessed and we are so blessed the Northeastern girls we are so blessed that we have such a beautiful skin and beautiful hair atopa mayam hair spa toba conditioning toba so we really don't need it we are almost like God bless adum
naturally
bless tawrabanina asida hoi hair fall gumba they dandruff gumba they split hair gumba leibasidi aisana care tawzaba tarena akoi maitai gi Manipuri singi hair texture say it's very fine and soft and silky asi haizaning eba aduda yam kana atopa mi singna rough hair oibegi adagi di problem oibegi problematic oibedo aina sum uzara kanda akoi north east ki girls study we don't have any problem we just need to take care of what we have blessed by nature
hauji akhoi na mamang na banjaki ba award sing se na tab haijab tare atopa angang oiring ai degi hobi pa matam da school days ai college days aduga adui matung da professional life ta changa matung da su awards achievements pan me yabda karam madi laikren
school life tegi haiba tare ai se yam active oizare debate kumba adagi di dance kumba adagi kaino recitation gumba sigum se yam participate tawzare aduna stage fair di leizarakte adu ai school life kumba da ai se maths competition then plus science journal level adumai competition mayam yauzaraga ai se prize phangzagi so yaugi adu matung da ai se kanan devi da 10 and 12 tamzare aduga I had a boarding life labor matam sida angang mayam na de oja mayam na nungsibidana ai se girls captain adumai na choose kanda kaino koi boarding gi angang mayam sem su senazare adu matung da ai se Guwahati da lecture ba matung da AHA have Air Hostess Academy. CZ Aviation plus Hospitality Management Diploma, 2 years diploma se tawzare. Also plus at the same time graduation se tawwe ba ise. Adi kaino da ayukta na college chalurani hala kanda na ise diploma se tawzare ba. Dual course tawre. Adu loire matung da ise yamna aina tawzare ba diploma se 2 years oiba. Adu aigi mathang gisna 1 year oiba. Opportunity pi ba se 1 year oiba duna moido class lo gidore haibegi mong the opportunity se moi hana di piba adu akhoi gi coach haiba tare ne agi kaino gi trade diploma taringa gi manung se khoi jana you are competent enough. You don't need to stay for 2 years. You're competent enough to participate or you need to take atopa interview lakpa singi. You're already fit to go for an interview for airlines or other hotel industry haiba adumaina ai interview moina oina thagat pa hobieba adoina ihana no interview pi ba se Kingfisher ge interview pi unfortunately I didn't get selected because I was still underage adui matung da samai tawra kan I say kaino tawra interview se dum I keep on giving adum kan da di airline industry se yamna su kai haitar chawkhalak eba airline ko aircraft kumba degi di airline se masing yamaktabani na it's very competitive batch ama loba kanda we need only 20 to 30 candidates but adugi 20 to 30 candidates se yauna bagi da maglak paka se 2000 3000 mi oeva yasmaina yam competitive ore adigi plus for the north is oibanina hindi se kitang fluent oidabdo masculine the feminine kitang mix up oibanina asigum the current struggle tawzare adubu I never give hope I keep on hard working asmaina interview pira kanda some interview pira kanda is jet airways ki su khale plus at the same time spice jet ki su khale adubu appointment letter ha na lakpa se spice jet ki han lakna ise som da kaino tawra yauzarure aduga marak thatna I say Shangri-La hotel da I say chahi ani mu purameba chahi ani mu puramba se kaino guest service asmaina purame front office as a part of a reception adu puramba kan sida koi say we have a team of around 10 people but I say yam duna promote away hotel industry the promotions yam thengeba you at least you need to stay there for 2 years to 3 years to get a next level adubu laibak phoba haigadra I hard working dona haigadra I got promoted within a year then I executive tagi I say guess team leader oina appoint tawre adu matang da spice join tawre then I moved to international as mine tawre
yam nungai je wari sim marik chumna thambiri aduga hojik mamang da ekhona panbikri ba ekhoi awards achievement ma'am panbi hi ko hairi ba sing asigi masi tawrapagi life experience ina ngasigi akhoi gi phangbira iba akhoi gi title se si phangna bhotna bada kayam chawba mating di pangai na khandi
the same harabda it's really give me a great impact whatever experience that I had since I came out from my hometown till now it's really give me a great impact karigino have the I say yamna I do yam protective oina mama baba oina yamna loinareba I say ngang ori kanda mama eraser ma leitre hai kansida mama na ngasigi di pangna sello baba hauren office hala kanda lei hello sama haba mapan ba thokhalakte ba aduna I grew up as a very protective daughter as my lerak panina I have my comfort zone aduga Guwahati de tholakpa kansida everything I need to manage by myself now my parents are staying away from me as my orak panina I say my parents are always behind me but karigumba situation lakpa kanda kanda you need to take your decision asmai lakpa kan se ai se karina phagadani haina khanbagi responsibility ama leira ga asmai sum lakpa sidagi ai do being from a protective daughter, I grew up very strong. As my tarak life decision hai batare ko. As my life decision so I isa na lower consider adum matang step by step what I need to do, what I want. Is this a decision correct for me? Aduga asi decision low say now what will be the side effect, what will be the good effect hai mental prepare na traga isana khanjara kana lower ba.
Yam nungai je makha tarak pada khoi lecturing isi khoi sigumba beauty pageantry sing sita yawba khoi model sing haija batare contestant sing nasi tongan ba miyam gi ai fanaba social cause sing da thabak toba miyam am thengna je isa gi oina di karam ba social cause sing da thabak tawkhiba leire karam ba tawning ba di leire
aina aigi wakhan da it's my opinions it's me haina khanjai ba katang disappointed or emotional thing but I am separated asis na oira kanda aingon da thokhiba se aingon da like you know what happened to me during this journey say I don't want it to be happen to other women as a woman I need to support other women because what I have gone through is they might have gone through as well they need a support I say katang marak ama say yam demotivated I feel so low and I say kari haina to get I can find myself I stop going out I stop meeting out people I really can find myself asamain ura kan sa ini isana khanjagi ba maleba I have still my parents I have still my friends then I have still my loved ones my you know I colleague mayam lady ba adu asu laina ain asu yamna demotivate weraga feel low over tar di orphanage kumba adagi di underprivileged or bagumba angang sing di how they still now how they are surviving kari haina leiram gani habase ai se khal eva asmaina khalapa kan se da aigi flight se mapam chappa kumba se da asigi tanja se lower kanda I visited many orphanage underprivileged or asmai to say aina angamba mateng hai batare ko dagi light kumba kolom gumba boy gumba then dagi di chana thakna gumba se provide to eba aina chacha bakanda kaino da bali da street project ana ama angang ge ama chacha rure then plus adi matang da India da sukritam house ana like advanced girls ko asima chacha rure dagi di Vietnam Jakarta asmaina mainly emphasis on Asia country da adu asugumba Asia country gumba gumba sida aina adugumba gi flight lay tata di agi sigi opportunity se laura kanda adugi lamdu da laiba angang gumba orphanage gumba children underprivileged children gumba say wari sana zabdo they need a motivation agi wakanda ai gumba nu pikya so situation the layram gani ko ai the like phaba haigadra like I step out from this situation but there are so many women who are still confined their self tholok pangam da basing do mating pangjage haina khangi bagi asigumba organizer gumba organization gumba say khara visit taw haizaning
yam nungai je makha tanasu miyam gi damakta asigumba akhoi gi hanba leitaba thona ga loina na miyam gi mating pang bangam biyo haina thamjage tom tv gi mai kai dige makha ta awda lakchani si mamang na banbi gi ba khoi women empowerment makhoi gi sothana leiraba nupi sing si empower tawnabagi damakta khoi thabak myam ama tawbiri in takpiri aduga makhoi gi support to biba ma su darkar ta na takpiri adu lakchani masi kana gumba women empowerment tawnabagi damakta thabak tawningi ba miyo yamana women empowerment tawnaba thabak tawge na khalakpa matamda ihan hana tawgadaba thabak se kari thabak ne na khanbi sagi mo
women empowerment say kari haina hai se have kanda me as a woman you as a woman first of all what you need to do is that you need to stand up for yourself you need to see what's happening inside your family nangi thabak toba mafam working environment asigumba sida amana health torakanda akoina proba phainariba nupiga nupaga equal hairiba men and women are they have the same right they have their equal hairiba probab say proof togadabneba ado aina women empowerment I love to work in women empowerment I love to kehni asugumagi da mathak pangninge haraga aingon the thoiba problem say if I hide even if I keep on hiding this how I'm going to help the other people first you need to do is that you need to stand up for yourself then you see family the kai to family there is anyone who needs your help then look around your environment look around your working environment if anyone really needs to help asi women empowerment haraga you don't need to be a billionaire I do women empowerment I'm a billionaire I need to do as maina khanbagi mentality nateba maru oina di me it's me I give feeling I give emotion do karino ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯊꯣꯛꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯆꯨꯝꯃꯤꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯂꯥꯜꯂꯤꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯂꯥꯜꯂꯕꯗꯤ I need to stand for it I need to fight for it ꯑꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ
ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯖꯩ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝ ꯑꯁꯤ men and women are equal ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯋꯥꯍꯩ ꯈꯛꯇ ꯅꯠꯇꯕ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯟꯅ ꯎꯠꯄ ꯑꯃ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯑꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯅꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯤꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯔꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯛꯊꯠꯅ ꯑꯇꯦꯟꯕ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯦꯛ ꯑꯃꯇꯪ ꯂꯧꯖꯒꯦ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯦꯛꯇ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯨꯅ ꯍꯟꯖꯔꯛꯀꯦ ꯃꯤꯠꯌꯦꯡ ꯇꯥꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯩꯕꯤꯌꯨ ब्रेक की मतुंगदा मैम बो मुखा नतराम न ओक्चरी मखा ताबा अखोइना साजनीबा वारिसिंग मथंग ताबदा लाक्चनिंग सी अखोइना कॉन्टेस्ट सी अखोइ हौजिकी कॉन्टेस्ट सी यावरो मतुंगदा टाइटल सी लौबिरे टाइटल सी लौद्रिनेगी ममांगदा लेरंबा इसासिगा अदुगा कॉन्टेस्ट से टाइटल से लौरबा मतुंगदा लेरिबा इसासिगा कॉन्टेस्ट सिना पीबा इम्पैक्ट अमदि
कॉन्टेस्ट से चट्रिंगे ममांगददी आई इसा प्रिपेयर तोरसु I was still nervous I'm a confident woman and haiza tartar so contest am lady banina I was like what I'm gonna do what should be the result and haina asmaina delay do contest se phangaba matung se dadi I feel proud of myself I feel proud I'm so thankful I bu support of Europe mayam singna contest se pageantry gi title se ma asigumba title ma phangba matam se da I sana khanjage ba I ge motivation se aigi aina haizaning ba mayam da haidokning ba se haidok ba phange haibagi relief adumaina yamna pensaki
khoi title se phanga ba matungda masi title sina platform amu oira kanda title si khuthang da haije batare ko title si khuthang da miyam gi damak ta mamang da di koi social cause mayam da thabak tawbining bagi apamba tawghiba sing mayam amasu tapi khre ko ado karam ba thabak sing tawbi ge miyam gi damak ta yai phana ba kari tawgi haina khanbiri atopa makhata ba sing da haije batare
I still women empowerment say I will strongly support those again. I really wanted to be the first person to help that lady or help that woman's asimagi situation dagi thorok na ba na traga mana kari darkar ori haibagi asiguma dagi thorok na do I help tawzani aduga tawzage haina su khanjai forever ko I khoi say not is say Aina uzarak pakanda Northeast ladies we are very hardworking we are very talented plus we are very beautiful Kaigino ada atopa nationalities kingi missing na yankanda where are you from hagan I'm from India hagan what you're from India which part of India hagan Northeast and I'm from Manipur they can really differentiate the rest of the Indians aduga akhoi ge se moina pam se koi se yam pam ba adagi di hard work su oibanina we are easy to go with them we gel up very well adagi di thabak su task ama tawkanda su we perform very well asmai oibanina akhoi gi nupi singi quality sigumba leibanina I really wanted to take them out from their comfort zone to bring up to national level to international level.
Howzik pali balenga akhoi government sida kari suggestion pibiningi kari matang da akhoi modeling gi lamda bu oiro dagi sigumba pageantry gi bu oiro any isana pibining ba suggestion sing kari libi.
Government ke side dai su ko plus at the same time Manipuri sing dai su mai dai sing dai su support kara ucha haninge haibam de kayine da aina uzara pakanda ko thina zara pakanda aina participate tawruba pageant mayam singi contest and mayam say their family and they plus their family their husband they're really supportive every steps yam supportive oiba adu akhoi gi sina kadang like down oina ubra haina khanjai ko aduna social media sing di hujik ti yam na anga macha gai su ko and SNS am popular oibanina matam khatang it doesn't take even 1 hour it just take few seconds to get a like button or just a comment asigum basina like it's a small thing adoi tarta zo o ai do kanagum na supporteri kanagum na wishes pirai all the best wishes pirai haibagi kaya egi wakhallon do leibanina at least someone is supporting behind me adu oi banina it's motivate me it's really motivate me adu khoi gi asidadi criticism to say yam tongnei ba criticism tongni ba say aina kai haijaninge haibanda aphabagi su or su phattabagi su or su maramama khaklayeba what is the reason what is the cause to adu nei na seba why haina point out down room seba why haina point out na tarta di lana loi chatnarane ba asi tho isigi what is the reason behind it amaso worry sanaraga it can be solved ko criticize tong na bai mahuta aina yaning da boy tar su kana go viewer go bana yaning da boy tar ta su there is a way to say phasana haibirakan correct tawraga chumthokpiba say oi tawzahaninge
haiba wakhalon se yorna ba hona ba matam dai khoi tongan mi gi wakhalon di manadabani na tongan ma makhal gi criticism mem la am ga doini haiba sing che la pa kan da isa da su so indum ki thopiram gani masi kamaina personally kamaina handle do
everyone perception is not similar everyone has different perspectives ko adu aside if you don't have the guts to put good comments don't put it for the bad comments as well it's as simple as that karigino hai kanda get bad comments pi begi di matam lai ri nangi wakhalon lai re ba adu good comments pi begi di wakhalon lai tabra ba adu I say no offense to everybody ko I na uzarak pa yin thing zab do kai gin hai kanda YouTube kumba da akhuin mapan da le kan ying zab yeng ba kanda they Facebook kum da yeng kanda see the have say being a Manipuri it's really sad in me it's really sad aduna uzaning da bagi meyam da so haizabane asida asoiba ngam yaw so meyam ngak pe gani if you can take out time to put a bad comments you still have you can take out times to put a good comment as well adu good comments opinion the bad comments da mayam do Manipuri haiba say makha tahan bigano haina haizaning
yam phazar wakhalol ni aduga loiselak pasi haijaba tare ekhoi gi haugalak liba young model oigera aduga ekhoi aviation gi lamda changning basing si oigera isa gi site gi kari advice pebini
advice say in han haizai gi ba adumaina hard work ko hozikan say ke basu yam haire dress up te to basu yam haire ko adu asina it's not the ends CD it's kind of a fame haiba CD fame is like a bubble la ani paira ani then it burst out adu kai grani loi grani ba fame is like a bubble but hard work say like from the low point to wherever you go hard work always keeps going with you it's a two-way it's always handy like aduna hard work say adum oibi hotna bagi mahai say cha daningai hai charoi haibet say I hazening de karigino have the me as a person I'm a very hardworking person because of my hard work I can achieve till here adu fame sidadi me amna tana biro no angang agi like agi makha hoga leiba angang sing ko fame si I do like Instagram da 2000 3000 like oire they 50000 followers oire haraga asmaina fame se leina greba oh I have this much of followers oh I'm a very beautiful I have this and asmaina leina greba wakalon se adu leibegi mahutta hard work for dedications and your patience asi yam maru oi hen haizaning
yam nungai je marik chumba wafam yam thambiri ngasai dagi khoi wari se mathang sare e adubo wari se loiselak pasida kitang nungai na harauba round ma hapa hai tare harau na loisanna bagi damakta khoi round ka hapsage tom gi wahang adom gi paukhum aina question si thuna hangjarak pa somna answer si yam thuna khumbirak pa ko aham question hangjage angang oiringai dagi yamna pamjakhiba phangdi phangakta posak
Miss Manipur
okay isagi punsida khwaidagi maru oiba mi amagi maming haibiyo
my mother
isagi thabaktagi hayeng retirement tawrba matungda kari tawraga matam lembi gi haina khanbi
I will work for women empowerment
okay Manipur da tourism chawkhatlanaba hanba khongthang se kari ni haina khanbi
we need to promote our resources we are so blessed naturally asi promote obadi am darkar oi
isana phatte haina khanjaba isagi quality ama haibiyo
sometimes I'm very emotional
paisa yamna paiba mi am oiragadi kari tobi
paisa pai say wealth is never ending I see kai talasu cry da no ma paisa chalingai se dum loi duna kari haini share with everyone
okay yam interesting oiba question ka hangsage isa si amuk mathak da hangatlaga class 10 pass tawbada ngai riba mahiroi ama oire haina khanbiro adu oiba taragadi science arts commerce karamba khanbigani karamba lobigani aduga karigini
subject doesn't matter what you are confident and what you nang haina zabado I will take that one
okay angang oiring haida takhiba khwaidagi pamjaba phunga wari ama haibi
aigi oza ma khak leizai lairen zamdagi mana hai ganda nang da thumyak pe ne you are just like a thumyak pe gi wari ama igon da liza libi khe da mai play aduga oza ma so hindi gi oza ma lei kaino sumang lela gumba ma leiba picture kaino tai da haiba amagi asi je igon da toit igon da haiba na picture kaino ta picture hai ka ne ba oza sin igon da ko aduga aina khumden ha kaino tai da na kaino da isai angawi da I started schooling very early aduna isai yam pick leba aduga pick palaga pick aga yam se haibage thumyak pick aweba aduga pick aga yam magun lei haibage hekru haina smaina ozana khawbi le
yam nungsiba memory ni अदुगा लास्ट से दी अखोई क्वेश्चन ना हाइजर रोय मसी रिक्वेस्ट ओइना हाइजगे इसाना ख्वाइदगी तोइना nganggan ba isai ama mati am tang bi
lamna tamna raga heli nungsiba asila sandraga
yam nungai se adong chillaba matam kya kai thokpi duna khoi ge studio lengbi ratuna khoi ge wari batai sanana ba gi tanza ma pi bi ba musigi da matai khoi ge Times of Manipur mai kai de ge simatan ko dotam jeri
Times of Manipur ko se taga
ngasi gi damak tadi Coffee with Times of Manipur miyeng tabir ba sing de ge kaina na ba thani jeri pina bi